Large language models have shown impressive capabilities in language tasks and are now being applied to speech and audio domains. However, spoken dialogue models requires real-world conversational data that reflects the complexity of human interaction, pauses, overlaps, interruptions, and diverse styles, especially across multiple languages. Thus, this challenge aimed to bridge the gap by hosting the challenge of building multilingual conversational speech language models, jointly organized by top researchers and institutions globally. The challenge features two tracks. Task 1, Multilingual Conversational Speech Recognition. Task 2, Speech Diarization and Recognition. Our training set covers 11 languages to provide a rich and authentic resource. Our total prize pool is $20,000. Key dates to remember. Thanks to our sponsors. And thanks to our media partners. Never too late. We encourage you to attend our workshop this August in Rotterdam. Learn more, please visit our website.